Previous time or my previous video, I am using this function for validated is my user is valid or no, or he is a bot or something. So for validating that I am using this function, but the time is changed. Now Telegram offering something by their self, so in case I like to use their packages. So if you check out my Telegram channel, then you can find the announcement here, and here you can see something like Telegram apps that offering us a packages, and that is int data node. That means we can use that on Node.js. Yeah, that should be a game changer. So we need to install that packages. So I just open my Chrome, and here if we go npm package here, so you can find out something like this int data node, and that is npm packages. So first of all I just copy that, and that is not a popular thing, that is properly unpopular something. So there are only some people who are using that, so we just need to install that on our server side or Node.js server or Express server. Then there have a guide, so you can see is there have a function that is isVaild, and here you need to pass int data or. So as we see, our packages is installed perfectly. Now if I scroll and if I see here, there have something like this. So if my server is running on development, then there have something like this, and if there have a function, just there have a condition, not a function, they have a condition, and if the condition is passed, then it's run this code, and if not, then it's go on else block. So now we are install our packages that is offering us something new. So let me see what function are they offering exactly. So I just copy this thing, go above. Here we need to use that isVaild function. So basically they have a logic, so I just cut that logic, and here I use isVaild function, and here I need to pass validate value. So here if you look there, I get int data from my body, so I can validate that. So I just copy this thing and paste here, and here I need to pass the bot token. So my bot token is located on my environment file. So if we just copy this thing from here, so that should be okay. Now that is on string, and then we can also pass some option like expire in and token hash, like true if token is already hash or this kind of something. Expire in means there you can set up a time, how much after how much time that should be expire or this kind of something. Okay, now we just ignore that, and we will comment all of them. If we comment, then is there any error? No, there not have any error, but yeah, I get it one. So basically it's needed a username or this kind of something, so I just ignore that function, because what I need to check, basically I get a body, and in that body have a user, so it try to match is the body is the user have a username, and the int data username and the body passed username is same or this kind of something. So I guess that condition is properly a useless something, so I just clear that condition, just clear. Okay, now I am gated some more error here, and here I will just try to use user match. I don't want this kind of something. I don't want that function. I don't want that function. Okay, now body is also useless now. Okay, I guess everything is perfect, and I think that should be work now. So now I will run the server by typing npm run dev, and also I run the client side npm run dev. Okay, now that is running on port 3000, and also that running on 5173. So I run that on ngrok. Oh my god, how much tab I am opening here. Okay, I just run in my ngrok for port forwarding, and that is running perfectly. I just copy this I just copy that link and go on Telegram, and here if I go on boot and then I set up a web app URL here. Okay, perfect. I copy that bot token, then go on my env. So there have two bot token. One is this, that is a production bot token, and one is this, that is a development bot token. This comes on me. So I just click here, like above this link, and I'm waiting for the response. Okay, you can see here there is a huge latency, and okay, let me wait some time. Yeah, I see something, and now it's still loading. Why, brother? Why you are a unauthorized? Okay, now I just need to check what does it return, like when he return a false something. So you just go on here and it tells me user information is mismatch. So basically I guess it's returning okay, let me check, is that getting any bot token or something. Okay, if I refresh now once again, okay, webhook stated, and yeah, there are no any console log. So can I do that here? Okay, as string. Yeah, you can see there have that is the bot token. If I refresh that, yeah, that is the bot token. So I am gated the bot token perfectly. And what I have on that int, if I try to log that also console log, and then open the terminal, and you can see there have also the int data. Okay, seems perfect, but why that is not working perfectly, and why it's returning false? I just console log, and refresh that page, and now I see that is open my app, but I'm not seeing any console log here. Just go above this try catch and hide this. Okay, now I just cart that page, cart that mini app, and again open that from here, play launch, and yeah, that is the thing. I just open the terminal and you can see I am on the home page. Pretty cool. And I can boost my mining and do other stuff. So from now you can validate is your user is valid or invalid by using that function. So let's enjoy that easy busy thing, and I guess if that is helpful for you, you must be subscribe that channel. Thanks and goodbye. See you on a next video.